Welcome to Upload Files to Vercel Blob, an autism-friendly coding tutorial where we'll take the file upload app you already built and connect it to Vercel's free blob storage. Calm pace, no jargon, and as always, you can pause whenever you need. By the end, your app will do this. Upload a file and instantly get a public URL you can open anywhere. We'll go step by step, first connecting Blob, then coding the API route, reusing our existing upload form, and finally testing everything together. Let's get started with step 1, enabling Vercel Blob and setting up your environment file. From your project page on Vercel, click the Storage tab at the top. This is where you can add database or file storage options for your project. Next, find Blob in the list of storage types and click Create. Blob is Vercel's built-in cloud file storage. It's fast, reliable, and free for small projects. Select the region closest to you. I'm choosing San Francisco. Then click Create. The next screen asks where the Blob store will be visible. Leave all three boxes, Development, Preview, and Production, checked so you can use Blob everywhere your app runs. When you're ready, click Connect. Once your Blob store is created, go to the .env.local tab. Click Show Secret and copy everything you see. In your project folder, create a new file called .env.local and paste it inside. You've just connected your Next.js app to Vercel Blob. It's active for development, preview, and production. No billing setup required. Now we'll install the Blob SDK. It reads our token from the environment and lets the backend upload files directly. In our previous tutorial, we used Node's write file to save uploads locally, but because Vercel's backend is serverless and doesn't keep files on disk, we'll replace that with Vercel Blob. First, remove the write file import at the top of your file, and instead import the put function from the @vercel/blob package we just installed. Then replace your old write file call with a call to put. This function uploads the file directly to Vercel Blob and returns a URL to that file. We'll wrap that URL inside a small JSON object and send it back to the front end. That way your app can display the Blob link right after the upload completes. Now when you upload a file from the front end, our API route calls Vercel Blob's put function and gets a URL back from Blob for the uploaded file. We then wrap that URL inside a JSON object and send it to the front end. Seeing that JSON response means everything's connected. Your API route, your Blob token, and Vercel Blob storage are all working together. If this kind of calm, autism-friendly tutorial helps you learn, subscribing is a great way to find your way back here. Thank you for watching, and as always, let's keep learning and growing together.